Judgment Day. When is it? What is it? What does it look like? Judgment Day is the great and terrible day of the Lord. Same day. Don't forget that a day unto the Lord is like 1,000 years, though. We got relativity to consider when we're talking about time and biblical events. Time for spirits in heaven passes quite differently than it does for humans on earth. Our lives are vapors down here. Don't count the Lord slack concerning his promises. He's just bigger than you. So the judgment, being the great and terrible day of the Lord, has a beginning and also an end. So that from our perspective, it's going to look like in the Bible there are two different judgments, when really it's just one, and judgment begins at the house of God. So that one judgment is broken up into two parts called the first resurrection and the second resurrection. Judgment beginning at the house of God. The first part is when Jesus returns. This is called the first resurrection because when Jesus comes back, the dead rise first, meaning he brings them with him out of heaven. When Christians die, we go to sleep in heaven, the best sleep you can't even imagine. And that's 1 Thessalonians 4, but I would not have you to be ignorant, brethren, concerning them which are asleep, that you sorrow not, even as others which have no hope. For if we believe that Jesus died and rose again, even so them also which sleep in Jesus, where's Jesus? He's in heaven, we're sleeping in him. Even so them also which sleep in Jesus will God bring with him. When Jesus comes back, he brings the dead out of heaven with him. For this we say unto you by the word of the Lord, that we which are alive and remain unto the coming of the Lord shall not prevent them which are asleep. For the Lord himself shall descend from heaven with a shout, with the voice of the archangel, and with the trump of God, and the dead in Christ shall rise first, coming with him out of heaven. In the first resurrection, the dead believers are born again from heaven as the holy angels of the Lamb. And that's 1 John chapter 3, verse 2. Beloved, now we are the sons of God, and it doth not yet appear what we shall be. But we know that when he shall appear, we shall be like him, for we shall see him as he is. There's so much to confirm it. Colossians chapter 3, verse 3. For ye are dead, and your life is hid with Christ in God. When Christ, who is our life, shall appear, then shall ye also appear with him in glory. Let me reiterate, the judgment is the great and terrible day of the Lord. When it begins, judgment begins.